afternoon. We are still at the lake, still cooking up a storm.
Yep.
I'm back with my niece Emily, and she's going to share today a recipe that she has developed. This is a apple pie cake.
That's what I call it.
Okay.
It's my variation of a recipe that I found. I didn't have any milk, but I needed to make a recipe with apples.
So she was getting creative in her kitchen and came up with this one.
Basically.
Okay.
And it's evolved a little over time, and so we'll kind of give you the product that it is now.
And I understand it's super simple.
It's very simple.
Dude food, we love simple. We love simple and good. All right, well, take us through it.
Okay, so we're going to start off with our wet ingredients. I have sugar that we'll add here.
White and brown.
White and brown.
What, half a cup of each?
Half a cup of each, yeah.
Okay.
1 stick of melted butter.
Butter makes everything good. Okay.
And then 1 egg. Ooh, 1 egg.
1 egg. Okay.
And might as well, we can add the applesauce and vanilla too.
Okay.
So took a page out of your book.
Oh yeah, from the zucchini cake episode.
That's exactly right. 1 individual
Awesome.
cup of applesauce.
So that's probably what, half a cup serving?
Yeah.
1 ounce serving.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I never measure vanilla. I love vanilla, so we're just
The more the better. Give it a good dollop. Oh, that's
like
nice.
that.
It's a teaspoon. That's what that is.
All right, and then I'll just use an electric mixer, and we'll beat this together.
Okay, beat it together. All right, tell us what's next.
All right, now we're gonna work on the dry ingredients.
Okay.
So in this bowl, we're going to kind of mix together 1 cup of flour.
All-purpose flour, good.
Yeah. And then I have in here baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt.
Okay. Sounds like classic apple pie ingredients.
Yeah. And then I'm just going to use a fork and kind of mix all
Mix
of
that
this together.
Okay. It's pretty simple so far.
Okay. And then we will add it. I like to do it like in thirds to the wet ingredients so it doesn't kind of overwhelm it.
Okay.
We're covered in flour. So I'll just work.
A third of that at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, the batter's ready. Now it's time to fold in the apples.
Correct. So I have 2 Honeycrisp apples that I've kind of chopped up that we're going to fold into.
Okay. Can we use any kind of apple for this, or what do you think?
I say use what you like. These are Honeycrisps. I like Honeycrisps. They're going to be something that I have at my house anyway, but you can use a Pink Lady. You could use Granny Smith if you want to use Granny Smith.
Golden Delicious.
Golden Delicious. It really is your preference.
So use the apple that you like. It sounds like it started as a sort of a recipe of convenience. What a friend of mine calls cream of bottom shelf. What do I have? What do I have on hand? What can I make? All right, it's all ready to go. We're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven.
Yep.
All right.
Preheated.
Here it goes. And how long in the oven?
About 30-40 minutes. I'll start checking it around the 30 mark because it will get brown, but that's okay. We like it, and but I'll check it for doneness with a toothpick.
All right, it's tasting time. Serve these things up.
Okay.
We left the apple pie cake in the oven. I think total of 35 minutes.
I think it was about 35 minutes. Yeah.
Ovens vary, so get an oven thermometer so you can see how hot your oven really is. We're at the lake house. I have no idea what this oven is like. And we're serving this still pretty hot, so it may not hold together as well, but like we don't really care. Oh man. Here we go. That's good, man. It's right. It's a nice informal cake. There's that deep color and caramelization from the browning that kind of gives it those nice caramelly overtones.
Yeah.
But it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. It's sweet, and it's flavorful but not heavy.
Honey, you need to keep cooking. You keep coming up with stuff like this.
So great, easy recipe for apple pie cake. We'll post the recipe along with the video. This is Dude Food. I'm Mark. This is Emily. We'll see you next time.